WhatsApp video calls. Creating your own filter.
Hello and welcome to this guide. Today, we're diving into a question many of you have been asking. Can I create my own filter for WhatsApp video calls? Let's find out together.
What are WhatsApp video call filters?
Filters are digital effects that you can apply to your video during a call to change the look and feel of the video. They might add a certain color tint, overlay fun graphics, or even transform your appearance into a funny character. Filters can add a fun, engaging element to your conversations.
Does WhatsApp allow custom filters?
As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, WhatsApp does not offer a built-in feature to create custom filters for video calls. The app provides some default filters for photos and videos, but these are limited and you cannot create your own from scratch within the app. For the most current information, please check WhatsApp's official site or your app settings, as this feature may have been added after my last update.
Are there any workarounds to create custom filters?
While you can't create filters within WhatsApp itself, there are some external apps that might allow you to apply filters to your camera output. Third-party apps such as Snap Camera or ManyCam can integrate with your webcam and provide a range of filters, even customizable ones. Remember, however, to always be careful when using third-party applications. Ensure they're from a reputable source and respect your privacy and security. While the native ability to create your own filters within WhatsApp might not be available, with some creative workaround, you can still bring your unique style to your video calls. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now more informed about using filters in WhatsApp. Stay creative and happy chatting!